Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video, we show you how to install the Link DAP-1955 AC1900 mesh extender quickly. Follow the easy instructions for web setup to extend your Wi-Fi range. Perfect for fixing weak signals and improving connectivity. Basically, the Link DAP-1955 AC1900 mesh Wi-Fi range extender is a device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal. Firstly, we will unbox the Link DAP-1955 AC1900 box. Inside the Link DAP-1955 AC1900 mesh Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick installation guide, and a power adapter. Everything you need to set up and start extending your Wi-Fi is included. Now plug your Link DAP-1955 into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED turns solid green, this means it's ready to set up. On your computer, laptop, or smartphone, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the extender's default Wi-Fi name, SSID DAP1955 EXT. Connect to it, no password is needed the first time. You'll see the Link extender login screen. Default credentials, username is admin and password, leave blank at first. Click Login. The system will ask you to create a new admin password for security. Enter it and continue. You'll see the Link extender login screen. Default credentials, username is admin and password, leave blank at first. You'll see the Link extender login screen. Default credentials, username, admin password, leave blank at first. The setup wizard will start automatically. Click Next to begin. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. From the list of available networks, select your main Wi-Fi router's SSID. Enter your Wi-Fi password, same as the one you used to connect phones/laptops. Choose how you want the extended network to work, same Wi-Fi name, SSID, mesh mode, your router and extender share the same name password. Or different Wi-Fi name, SSID, you can set a new name like home Wi-Fi_EXT. If you choose a different SSID, type in the new Wi-Fi name, for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, or let it copy the same name. Click Next. Review your settings summary. Click Save. The extender will reboot automatically, takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once setup is complete, unplug the extender and place it midway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi zone. That's it. Your Link DAP-1955 is now fully set up via web browser. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.